In this video, we are going to be seeing SAP PP capacity leveling. So what it is and how it will be used in SAP PP. Next, as we discussed, the capacity leveling is nothing but you putting it into a planning table. Capacity leveling is nothing but you are putting into a planned structured leveling, and there are some tables which are known as planning tables, and it will be fulfill production order processes from work center in a particular step by step. So transaction code for use a capacity leveling is CM21. We will see in practical how the capacity leveling will be work.
In this practical of SAP PP, we will see capacity leveling. So for that capacity leveling, the orders are processed as defined in the work center to meet the production process. Okay. So transaction code we use as CM21. Enter. Over here, only you have to put plant. Okay. Then go for this execute or continue. So here this first you will see work center. Okay, then you will see order. Okay, so how many work centers are present? Okay. Then how many orders were there? Okay. In that you just select an order from order pool. So these are the order pool. Just select order. Okay. It will be shown you that order is over there. Just select that order, then click on dispatch to assign that order to the work center. Okay, so just select order. See over here, it is shown a dispatch. Okay, here is a deallocate. So you can dispatch. If you want to allocate that, just select order, then go for dispatch. Okay, and to assign that order to the work center, just go for select order, then go for dispatch. Okay, or you can assign a work center to a particular order. Okay, so like this you can dispatch orders to the work center, or you can dispatch work centers to the order. So like this the capacity leveling will be performed.
In this video, we have seen how the capacity leveling will be work in theoretical and in a practical way. Thanks a lot.